This is the new 2020 model Aluma UTR12. The bed of the trailer is 78 inches wide, so 6.5 foot wide, 12 foot long to the toolbox. The toolbox is not counted in the 12 foot. It's all aluminum frame, aluminum toolbox. This model here has the loading lights built in. There's one loading light in the toolbox there, and then 6 down the sides of the bed. 2 in the front for when you're hooking up. Comes with aluminum wheels, radial tires. All my aluminum trailers have a torsion axle underneath them, so you got the better suspension system. It's a slide out ramp system. Ramp slides out the rear. Never slides completely out, just slides out and lets down. Slides back easy just like that. I did that with one hand while I held the camera. This is probably my favorite model Aluma makes. It's a really good all-around trailer. Since the ramp slides in, there's no air drag from a tailgate. But any motorcycles, four-wheelers, UTVs on here, good all-around trailer.